First drone drop in quad box. First ones. And what we got right here? What we got? Open that up. Oh, the water. I mean, the lemon lime S4s. Oh, we got the on the Marmot. We have the S3s. We got the watermelons. Got the lemon limes. We gonna test these out later on. About to go meet up with some people. Test them things out. Man, let's see what we got in the box. Ooh. Open that up. Let's see what we got in the box. Alright, we got stickers. I like stickers. But we ordered some lemon lime S4s. And look at what we got in the box. We got some lemon lime S4s in the box. Why did we order lemon lime S4s? It doesn't matter. They're apparently gonna be some nice props. Gonna be some good stuff right there. Okay. Here's the funny thing. I was about to go get this exact frame from a dude, and apparently I know why he got it now. He got a drone drop. He got a drone drop this month, and this box came. So it's no point in me going to go buy that frame from him for $35 because got this one. What else? Oh, got the TBS patch. Right hand patch. Ooh. Because right now, we are sporting the Menace. Let's see what the Team Black Sheep do. See who got the better range. See who's doing the better things. We're going to figure that out. Because we know I like Team Black Sheep. Something about the Black Sheeps. Alright, that was the drone drop. I kind of like the drone drop. That was nice drone drop. Drone drop. And now quad box. What's in? My nails aren't working. Why are my nails not working? It worked for the first one. I'm having difficulties. We ain't having difficulties no more. And for everybody who just looked at me like, oh, he just pulled that big ass blade out. Well, let me tell you something. It's illegal to conceal your blade. It's not illegal to have your blade. It's illegal to conceal it. That was the whole controversy of the whole situation. I got locked up for that before. For having a concealed deadly weapon. But whole time, if it's not concealed, then it can't be, it's not a charge. You know what I'm saying? Especially if it's a knife. I'm over to the age of 18, blah, 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 blah. So, moving on. What is this? What is this? Foxeer Technology. Okay. Cyclone 5145s. Never had the 5145s. Let's see what's up with the 5145s. Okay. Let's see. It's supposed to have a deep pitch to it. I know it's got a deep pitch to it because it's a 51. Because I usually fly the 50s, but I might put these on a floss and see what the floss do with these. This might have to do the race situation. Might have to go for the races. Yeah. Oh, yeah. These pitch. Oh, man. This is a sick pitch right here. Mean thrust. I'm going to suck a battery to death with that. Gotta make sure I watch my battery. Y'all know I'm bad at that. I kill battery. I'm a battery killer. Call me the battery reaper. But got 4 sets of the dial props. Let's see. Dino Shot 4-in-1 BL Heli. Oh. We got a 4-in-1 ESC. I needed an ESC because I got a build that I needed an ESC for, and it's a 40 amp. So therefore, didn't I just say I wanted some LEDs? I just said I needed some LEDs. I just said that. Like yesterday, day before yesterday. It was 2 days ago. I was like, I need some LEDs. But are these programmable or not? No, these are red. It say smooth. It say red. I wanted blue, but I got some red. So we're not gonna do the build that I wanted to do, but I guess we're gonna put this on something. And we got some red LEDs on it. Or if any of y'all want some red LEDs, hit me up. I give you some red LEDs. We're gonna figure out how much they cost, and then we're gonna get it to you half price. And we're gonna do it like that. Got some more stickers. We got a whole t-shirt. Boom. We got a t-shirt. Who's that? Boom. Got a t-shirt. Alright. Nice. Build, crash, perfect. Oh, repeat. I said perfect. Build, crash, repeat. Yeah. That's my life. That's my whole life. Build, crash, repeat. I'm always build, crashing, and repeating. Alright. Hat is funny. That's what's on the shirt, ain't it? That's what's up. Alright, quad box. Alright, quad box. You did a little bit. You did a little bit, quad box. And drone drop. You did a little bit. You did a little bit. Some people said they ain't like the quad drop and the drone drop. I mean, the drone drop and the quad box. They ain't really like it. But they probably got them little bullshit ass boxes. You gotta get that premium subscription. You want something sweet, you gotta get that premium subscription. You can't just get that bullshit. My man Destin just hit me up. I gotta tell him, look. Tell him what I got. He gonna find out when, cause he ain't home yet. But when he get home, he gonna figure out what's in the box. Cause we all do the same thing. We all subscribe, you know what I'm saying, with that premium subscription. You know what I'm saying? We out here doing what we do. I don't remember if I cursed or not, but I'm supposed to be showing my mother this video. I think I did a good job. But, yeah, let's not get used to that. I'm going to speak freely on my channel. I say that all the time. Mom Dukes knows. She know what my mouth do. So, we're not going to keep censoring everything. But, for this episode of High Skies Entertainment, whatever this episode is, for We Sight, High Skies Entertainment, whatever. You know what it is. For this particular episode, I tried my best not to cuss. I did. I tried. I don't know if I did or didn't. Really don't know. Can't really say that I tried my best because I don't know if I did or didn't. I ain't even twist my little dreads or nothing. I'm out here looking scruffy. And you let me do this whole video looking scruffy. You got yourself out the frame. So you think. And let me look scruffy. It's cool though. You know what I'm saying? You see how Twin do me. You see how Twin be doing me. She just over there laughing. Just laughing at me. But It's cool. That is why I love Twitch. You just gonna sit here and look at this video while we looking at this video like, look at you. Look how stupid you look. Do you hear how you sound? And she's gonna be sitting there playing back the laughing shit that she was doing now, because she been laughing the whole time. But now it's time to go and get. Whoa. We did the black box log. We sent the black box log to Sticky and all that. So we about to go and he said get a good 2-minute flight after we did the changes. And yeah, we did all the changes. Now we about to go meet up with my man Ill Will. Excuse me, because he got some more 3D prints that I need. I need them prints because this antenna situation, I needed to go up. And actually, you know what? I think I'm going to take the antenna from the floors and move that off and put that on here. Because the antenna from this joint and the antenna from that joint and all that, yeah, back. Put that on that and then do that. Yeah, you know what I'm talking about. And if you don't know, you're going to see what I'm talking about. If you don't, well, hey, it happened. And it's going to happen. Because that's what I do. Now, I did a lot of rambling. I did a lot of talking. So, let's go, and we're going to get to flying. And today was like one of those fine drinks. Didn't even see a berry flashing those high beams. No helicopter looking for the murder. 2 in the morning, got the fact burger. Even saw the lights up the good blink. And it went ice cubes up quick. Drunk as hell, but no throwing up. Halfway home, man, my baby still blowing up. Today I didn't even have to use my AK. I gotta say it was a good day.
My own business, you damn right I'd fly every fucking day.
Shouldn't tell your best friend about the dick mistake. I'm contagious and addicted. My swag is so convinced I gotta wait with these bitches. You get it? I got a gift with these bitches. Man, my swag so convinced. Might get a pussy kiss, shoot me good. I will, and you can climax. However many times you like. On demand, I can get it anytime I like. I got remote control of these hoes. I got remote control of these hoes. I got remote control of these hoes. I got remote control of these hoes.
Say who I call her cool. Got me geeking, press her buttons when I tell her what to do. Say she love me and I tell her love me too. But if I fuck on one of friends, she hit me with an attitude. Not because it was a friend, but just because she wanted to. Daddy step up in the room, my bitty on me going mute. I get it on demand. My venom has no cure. I'm the sickest on the planet, and I ain't got a tour. Purest of the bitches, I feel like Ace Ventura. Of course she understand me. The man release her panties. They call me Papi Chulo Caso. I know they only fucking with me cause I'm at the top. Though, but watch her drop them like hollow. You think they fall, but for the niggas that live under and save them, my spot solidified. You think I give a fuck who else they them? They bring me back to data. I'm like data sip. Channel order 69, my main and 9 and she the 6.
I got a gift with these bitches. Man, my sweat so convinced. Might get a pussy kiss, shoot me good. I will, and you can climax. However many times you like. On demand, I can get it anytime I like. I got remote control of these hoes. 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 Bitches always playing hard to get. You know you heard about the dick and about the way I lick the clip. Hit the bladder, make you wanna piss. I know down with the shits, don't need liquor for no bitch. Getting nut after nut like a psycho. With your hands in the air like I just told. A victim, what you gonna be? One stroke from the kid, have you coming uncontrollably? I'ma hit it like I just came home. I hear one of my songs, Harry screaming, oh God. Why somebody call the law? Then Perry stay off, like you never had none on. Underside of the dome, put a thumb in your butt. Take this dick, don't run. Pussy look like a blunt. That's a cum, but I'm roughing the butt. Grip from gripping that butt. A 3-course meal is a must when I'm done. I got a gift with these bitches, man, my sweat so convinced. Might get a pussy kiss, you be good tonight. And you can climax, however many times you like. On demand, I can get it anytime I like. I got remote control of these hoes. I got remote control of these hoes. I got remote control of these hoes. I got remote control of these hoes.
You gotta get used to them bank turns landing a 7-inch.
Yeah, I see. That thing.